Almost exactly a year ago today, INDI EV introduced the INDI One to the world. There has been one question on everyone's mind since then. Who will manufacture it? INDI EV's headquarters has served as a research and development facility and home to production on our earliest prototypes. For mass production, however, we needed scale. Earlier this year, INDI EV and Foxconn leadership were introduced to each other. Foxconn has been a leader in the electronics manufacturing industry for decades and recently announced their entry into the electric vehicle industry. INDI EV heads met with Foxconn's titans of the industry, like Ed Hightower and Jack Chang, over the course of the summer at INDI EV's facilities in Los Angeles and Foxconn's newly acquired plant in Ohio. From the outset, it was clear that INDI EV and Foxconn were a perfect match for each other. The INDI One is a vehicle that combines the best of electric vehicles and consumer technology. It was clear that the INDI One's manufacturer needed to have the ability to build cars at scale with an eye for quality and cost efficiency. At the same time, the INDI One also required a manufacturer with their eye on the future and an understanding and love of cutting-edge technology. Foxconn offers both of those. We at INDI EV are incredibly impressed by what Foxconn has built here. From their amazing facilities here in Ohio to the talent and charisma of all those at Foxconn, we are very excited about our future alongside Foxconn, and we're excited to bring customers a great electric vehicle made here in America.